Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host here. I welcome you to this yet another webinar on the price action trading. Today is 12th of February 2024. The day is Monday. So, guys, please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am an independent trader and analyst. When I say this, I mean that whatever I am going to talk about in this webinar, they are my own trading ideas and opinions. They don't have anything to do with the Dugas Copy research team. In this webinar, we will be only discussing the price action trading and technical analysis. We will restrict our analysis to technical scope because we are not going to discuss anything fundamental in nature, like any news or result published, something like that. No, we'll only restrict our analysis to the charts. Therefore, I will be using the candlestick type of charts for that. I'll be taking the questions from the viewers, and if there is any particular request from the viewers that they want me to analyze any particular market or commodity section, whatever, they can ask me in the chat box that is provided. Before I start the session, I must tell you that this is not a trading advice. It should be only seen as a source of knowledge or information. Please, you should do your own research before you put your money on the line. Therefore, please go through this risk disclaimer. There is certain risk associated with the trading the foreign exchange. Once you're done with this, you can hop onto the charts, and my first chart of the day will be, as usual, it is not this one that you're watching right now. It is actually the US dollar index, this one here. All right, guys, I welcome you once again to my chartbuster. I will say chartbuster show. No, okay, this is a regular webinar that we are doing every day from 1700 GMT over here, with an expectation that this will be of some value to my viewers, where they can learn how to examine the market precisely and navigate through the ups and downs of the markets, where they know beforehand what is the possible trajectory of the market in the future. So from here, I think if you go back in my webinars, you will realize that on, I think, 6th of February, we discussed that there is a possibility of consolidation like this. You see, at that time, I did not have this candle here. I did not have this candle. I did not have this. I did not have this. I just had these two candles, and from there, I made one channel on the 1 hour. Okay, we created this channel on the basis of these two highs and this one low. That's it. And this is what it is going on now, and we are expecting an up move in this market. Now, I'm not saying for a newbie who is new to the markets, he looks at this price action and he thinks, okay, the market is going to go down because it is going down. But no, look at the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture, guys. This market is bullish. It is going up and up and up, and here it is again a consolidation in place, and I'm expecting an up move where it will first breach, I think, 104.46, and later on we have higher targets in this market as 105.90 and later on 107.07. Guys, this is the US dollar index. That is, collectively in the broader market, the US dollar is rising against other major currencies. So when will this bullish bias gets negated? That means when I will say that now, okay, I cannot buy US dollar now more than this. So when the price reaches this level of 102.75 to the downside, and the buyers are not able to hold their lowest point where they were pushed last time, that is 102.75, if the market goes below this, I'm out. I won't be keeping any longs in the US dollar. But till the time the price is trading above this, if I have to initiate new positions, I'll be looking for only buying opportunities. All right, guys, I hope that helps. Okay, so next is to what extent I will be expecting my returns. So I can expect my returns. First level of target will be 104.46. The second level of target will be 105.90. If the price breaches this level to the upside, then the next potential target is around 107.07 in this market. Similarly, something is happening in the euro dollar also. Euro dollar, although the bias is bearish, it is bearish till 1.0897. If the price goes beyond that, then I will have to become buyer in the euro. But till the time 1.0897 is not tested, I will be only looking for the selling opportunities. Now today there was a sell-off, but it was bought back immediately. So what you can do is you can make the channel bigger now and expect the price to continue going like this to somewhere here. In this zone, I am expecting a selling. When the price reaches here, I am expecting a huge sell off if the price goes here. Okay, with what target? First target will be 1.0724 area. The second target will be 1.0656 area. What about pound? Well, in the pound, I think we have already discussed this. Above 50% or at least till 62%, we can expect a sell off. This is a quality area where I will be looking for a selling opportunity. Now you see that even the pound was sold off today, then it was immediately bought back. So you can extend the channel like this now. Just to save you some energy from the, okay, I will just remove all the clutter so that you have a clear-cut idea. So you see now the price was going down and making lower highs and lower lows. Here we have created a counter trending channel just to make sure that when it breaks and the candle closes below it, we become sellers in this market. And of course the highest resistance is 1.2772. So till 1.2772 we can be looking for the selling opportunities, and the targets on the downside are 1.2500. Beyond that, there are low targets around 1.2374, 1.2187, but that is later on. Right now I am focusing on this area here. I'm expecting either this area here or it can be anywhere when the price, this channel touches say okay, it can be even break from here and then a retest here. Anything can happen, guys. So you have to get for look for the best opportunity. See, something like this can also happen. If something like this happens, then it will be even better, because then you will have a confluence of two resistances. One is this channel's resistance line, the second is this break and retest. So you will have multiple reasons to sell. This is just a hypothesis that something like this will happen. Okay, but in most of the cases something like this happens. If that happens, then you sell this market here, the small stop loss higher, and a take profit target of 1.2500. That makes a very good sense. Right now selling this market is not a good idea because you have a support of this channel as well as this horizontal level. But yes, when the price reaches a resistance and it has a little difficulty in going higher, that is the time when you sell this market. Okay, so from now on 1.2612 is a good support. The resistance is dynamic in nature, which is created by this channel line, and also the support is dynamic in nature, which is being created by this channel. The ultimate resistance above which I will become buyer of this market is 1.2772. Australian dollar, as of now on the daily, it is consolidating after making this high here about 0.6625, and after making this low here around 0.6469. Between these two highs and lows, the price is just consolidating. It has not moved higher than the previous high or lower than the previous low, so I will call it as a consolidation. It may continue till 0.6625. If the price trades above 0.6625, then I will become buyer in this one also. Till then the bias is bearish, so you can keep it here till the time the price is trading below that. We will be only looking for the selling opportunities. You can also create a channel in this one, just like the euro and the pound that you have created, and expect this channel to break to the downside, and when it does, you can become seller in this market with a small stop loss higher. Also notice how the price RSI is almost going up, but the volumes are going down, or the volumes are shrinking as the price is going higher. So ultimately here you will find that the volumes rising suddenly when the sellers jump in. Right now that is not the case. In the New Zealand also similar is the case. I will buy this market above 0.6174. Till the time that doesn't happen, I'll be only looking for the selling opportunities. Now to the downside, I think my support is around 0.6038. The resistance is 0.6174. The price is consolidating, so I'm just waiting for the markets to react to this high or this low. USD CHF, like I said, that bias is bullish, but I'm not buying this market because there is a tough resistance around 0.8821. I'm still staying away from this market. Maybe I'll buy this market if I get it close to 0.8551, where I'll be looking for a break and a retest and maybe going higher, something like that. But right now I'm not buying this market because it is very close to the resistance level of 0.8821, and selling this market is not a good idea because it is making higher highs and higher lows, so there's no point in selling this market. All right, here in the USD CAD, something of interest is happening. We were expecting this line to act as a good support, and it did happen to be a good support on Friday, but today looks like that it is not getting respected. But I cannot be selling this market right now. What we can do is that let the market close below this rising trend line, and then whatever low it makes on that day, whenever it breaks, the low of that can be used as a selling opportunity with the target of 1.3359 and 1.3288. Right now it is not a selling market. Below the low of this candle we may initiate some sells, but I think the best strategy will be let the market close a day below this rising channel, and whatever low it makes on that red candle, the low of that candle can be used as a selling opportunity. That is, break of that low, stop order can be set at that. Now this is just a strategy to handle such type of trades, but look at this. This is making a higher high and higher low in the market. So above 1.3359 we should only be looking for the buying opportunities, not the selling opportunities. In that regard, you can create a counter trending channel from here till here like this. When this channel breaks to the upside, you can buy this market, and if it goes below 1.3359 you can sell this market like that. USD JPY, a very good consolidation. It's like a flag forming here on the low time frames. You can understand this. When on the 1 hour the price goes higher and makes a pole type of structure, thereafter it makes a flag or a pennant, and this is a breakout from the pennant, a little low here, and then the price can go up again. Now if we go to the daily, we will see that we are looking for 149.75 to be tested in this market, which is the resistance. The support for this market is around 147.61, below which I will be looking for the selling opportunities in this one. New Zealand CAD, well, we have seen a higher high now. I do not expect the price to go down from here. What I'm expecting is, I'm expecting at higher prices somewhere here around this triangle, the bulls to jump in again and the push prices high. What you can do is you can create another channel here. Although I'm not very fond of the channel, but I think that this must help. You see this low, whenever the price hits this channel, it should find some support. That is the case, and in this case you can also switch to 4 hour. Actually you can observe this chart on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, whatever you want, and when the price meets this area here again, you can expect the price to get rejected from this area, the upside, because I'm bullish to some extent on the New Zealand dollar in the coming time. All right, Bitcoin, Finally, all the targets are taken, and this has exactly hit the area where we had expected. This is the area 49,988, where I said that there is a possibility that this channel may provide some resistance to the price, and that is exactly what is happening right now. Today, our all targets of 49,021 in the Bitcoin have been taken. Now, I am not saying today that the Bitcoin will achieve this target. I have been saying from last 1 week when the price was somewhere here that it is consolidating. It's a good consolidation, and expect the Bitcoin to reach 49.21 next week. And this is the first day of the week, my friends. Okay, from here expect some consolidation, and for some reason if the Bitcoin is able to break above this channel and close the day higher, then I think 52,089 will not be able to stop the Bitcoin from going towards 59,235. Keep that in mind, because this is a very bullish scenario if something closes higher than the resistance of the rising channel. Mark my statement, if any of commodity or say instrument closes above the resistance of a rising channel, this is extremely bullish scenario. Okay, and also we have witnessed the rise in volumes here. So yes, somebody is doing a serious buying in the Bitcoin. The last is Brent. Brent is not going anywhere. We are expecting resistance at this falling trend line, although the horizontal level of resistance is 84.62, the horizontal level of support is 72.33. Last is gold. Gold is consolidating at the lower levels. 2002 is the support that I'm looking at. Below 2002, I think I will not be looking to buy this market anytime soon. It should now shoot to the upside with a target of 2088, and if nobody buys this market at oh no, it's not 2002, but yes, is there. Okay, if nobody buys it at 2002, then expect nobody to buy it even at 1973. In that case, the price will drop down to 1810 levels. So keep that in mind. But I'm expecting the price to be rejected from these levels very soon, around to 2002. I'm expecting the buyers to jump in to push the prices higher, so we can reach 2088 if that happens. Rather than being optimistic like I am being right now, you can be little conservative, like you can draw a channel here. Okay, this consolidating channel, until the time the price is holding below this channel, you should not buy this market. Okay, if it breaks higher, then you can definitely open a buy position with a small stop loss below 2002. If that doesn't happen, do not buy it in any anticipation. Be conservative and you will be a winner in the long run. So for me, 2088 is the resistance, 2002 is the support. The price is very close to the support, but there is no confirmation of buying opportunity till now. Bain is a market which I don't know what it is, but it had a very bullshit type of chart. So I thought that I will show you this chart. We have a target of 26 on this. It can go even lower. Okay, even I am thinking that it will go to dustbin. But yes, there is something seriously wrong with this company. I don't know what it does. Okay, if Bear AG, I don't know what it is, but yes, the chart is saying the story. It is closing below 38. Whenever some chart closes below 38, it means that it is gone into dustbin. So yes, it is staying below 30. Now I'm expecting it to rise a bit and then sell off again. Okay, that's all guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask that question and I'll be very happy to answer those for you. All right, I see no questions here, so I must wrap up this session by saying that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times of whatever risk that you are going to take. You can adjust your position size in order to reduce your risk. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button below the video if you find it useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section once the video is published. And please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. You can also connect with me on my Skype handle, which is as flashed on your screens. Thank you once again. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Here it is written that daily webinar at 1630 GMT. I'm sorry about that. It is actually 1700 GMT. Thank you for your time once again. Bye bye. Take care.